Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Julia here from English Prep Class. I'm a Pearson Test of English tutor, and all I basically do here is to help you pass your English exam so you can get that score that you need for your migration or for your study purpose. Now, in today's video, we'll basically be looking at simple basic English expressions that people use in their daily English. So I know you've been using one or two of them. You can learn more from this video. Now, if this sounds like what you really want to do, then let's go straight into the video.